Can we do this in the amount of time? Sure. Okay, let's do this. So we're going to solve this algebraically. Do you remember how to do this from grade 11? 3x over x minus 1 equals 4. Cross multiply. That's your friend. 3x equals 4x minus 4. Everybody good with that? Move over the x's. Negative x equals negative 4, so x equals 4. The only thing I got to watch out for is your NPVs. X cannot equal what? 1. So just check whether that is. You can also check your solution at the same time. So now we're going to actually graph this. These are extremely difficult to solve by graphing. They're either going to provide a graphing calculator or something to do this. But again, the concept is to know what you're looking for the solution, okay? So how am I going to graph this? I'm going to graph this as y1 and this as y2. Everybody see that? So where's my horizontal asymptote? Huh? 3. Very good. Where's my vertical asymptote? 1. What's my x-intercept say? 0. It's not. Okay, there's my first one. Let's pick a point to get our second section. X is 2. So what do we get? Y equals 6 over 1. Check my math. Is 6. So it's at 6. And then we get that. Yes? And then how do I graph y equals 4? It's a straight line going, constant line going through that. He probably did. Now that I look at it, it's hard to read, hey? Okay, so what's my intersection here? It's a very bad intersection at 4. It looks like it's intersecting at 3. Did I not tell you ahead of time this was going to be very hard to get the answer graphically? It's at 4. Yours is at 4? Very good if you got yours to be at 4. Mine looked more like at a 3. Okay, so the other way is, of course, finding the x-intercept of a single function. So that means I'm going to move the 4 over. So I have 3x over x minus 1 minus 4. And we are not going to do this by hand. We are going to do this graphically with a graphing calculator. So plug that in and find the x-intercept. Does everybody know how to find your x-intercept? Yes? Okay, so I'm going to be plugging in 3x divided by bracket x subtract 1, bracket subtract 4, and we are going to go zoom 6 so everybody's in the same viewing window, and we are trying to find the x-intercept, which is right there. So I'm going to go calculate, second function trace, and I'm going to select number 2, which is the 0. I need to skip on over to the other, there you go. You need to be on the left and the right of that 0 for it to work. Okay, so, and then just go enter, enter. Does everybody see that graphically it is at 4? Okay, again, let's do this algebraically. How would we do this algebraically? Do you remember how to do this from grade 11? You need to find the common denominator and multiply each and every term by it. What's my LCD? X x times x minus 1. So here I get 6 times x minus 1. Then I got 9 times x. And then here I get minus 6 times x minus 1. Everybody know what I did there? So then I get 6x minus 6 minus 9x equals negative 6x squared plus 6x. Move everything over. I get 6x squared. The 6x's will cancel. Minus 9x minus 6, yes? I'm going to divide each and every term by 3. 2x squared minus 3x minus 2 equals 0. I'm going to factor. I get a 2x and a 2 and a minus and a plus. So I get x equals negative 1/2 and 2. And so is there anything that's extraneous that I could, sorry, NPVs that I need to reject? No. Again, if I were to solve this graphically on my graphing calculator, what am I looking for? The intersection is at x equals negative 1/2, and right here, x equals 2. Again, the concept is to know what you're looking for. Okay? Okay, so let's again solve this graphically. Sorry, graphically, it's hard. We're going to do this algebraically. So again, how do we do this algebraically? We need to find the LCD. So I need to factor this one. Oh, I'm thinking it's going to be minus 2 plus 1. Yep. So my LCD is x minus 2, x plus 1. Yes? It's going to be x minus 2, x plus 1. So I'm going to multiply each and every term by that. So x is going to get multiplied by x plus 1. Minus 4 is going to be multiplied by x minus 2. And the 6 is going to get multiplied by all of them and cancel, right? Yes? So I get x squared plus x minus 4x plus 8 equals 6. So x squared minus 3x plus 2 equals 0. So x minus 2, x minus 1 equals 0, x equals 2 and 1. So let's look at our graph here. Hard to really see here, but at x equals 2, I don't even know where the intersection is. Oh, here it is, 2 and 1, right there and right there. NPVs, what are my NPVs? X cannot equal 2 and negative 1. Ooh, so that means we don't have one at 2, which I didn't see one at 2. Thank you. So we only see x equals, sorry, I don't even see it there. What the heck? Negative 1. Here's negative 1. Must be right there. You guys check it on your graphing calculator because I cannot find it on mine. The only thing I can have, what the heck am I talking about? It should be 1. I know. Right there, right there. X equals 1. Bam.